Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to delete friends in Pokémon Go. To delete friends in Pokémon Go is super easy. Launch the Pokémon Go app open on your device and log in if needed. Once you're in the home page, tap on the trainer icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open up the Me tab. Tap the friends icon at the top and you will then come across the list of your friends. Go ahead and select the friend you want to delete and tap on their name. This will open up their trainer profile. Scroll all the way down and click on Remove Friend to delete the friend. Click on Yes in the pop-up to confirm your choice, and once removed, that friend will no longer appear on your friend list. And you won't be able to send or receive gifts or battle together until you add them again. Deleting friends will help you keep your list organized and ensure you to stay connected only with players you want to interact with. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.